Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. All right.
Welcome back, everybody, to Cocoa Beach Aerial Adventures.
All right.
3 different levels. The highest level is 45 feet in the air. You navigate your way through 49 unique challenges in the air. 7 different courses, 3 different levels of difficulty.
So this is our green level. You guys can start all at the same one, all separate, whatever you want to do.
All right, what do you guys want to do?
There's a starting point here.
Okay.
There's a starting point here. And there's a starting point there.
Which one you want to do first? Want to do this one?
You want to go towards the road?
Want me to go first? You can watch me?
Sure.
Make sure you pay attention now.
Alright, here we go.
Do you have the other GoPro? Did you turn mine, babe?
Yep. Mine's not on. Cody's not on. Just turn it on right before you go out.
Alright.
Not yet. Wait until you go out.
Go ahead and open. The gate comes out, so go ahead and just grab
Okay.
it and get yourself out of it. You go next? No? You want to go next? Yep, nice. Wiggle it up.
Oh, cool. You be all right, Sai? You good? Okay. Okay. Yeah, sit on your butt. You're fine. Sorry, look at it. I'm sitting down. She doesn't want to. Babe, just try it like me. Look it. Why not? There you go, you got it. Good job. There you go. You can skip that middle one if you want. There you go. You can grab this rope here too, remember? Yep, you just can't grab the top one where you're hooked onto. Cody, once you get hooked up, then hit the button once. Yep, once you get hooked up there. Did you want me to go to the next one now? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you ready? Watch me, Shy. Ready? You can hold on to all this stuff, okay? So just take your time and go down, that's all. Just walk slow. Look, I don't even have to use anything, Shy. Look it. See? I'm just holding on to this, that's it. It's all about balance. There you go. Come on, put a smile on that face, girl. There you go, that's better. You got it.
You're awesome, Shy. Look at you.
I'm pretty, you can hold on to these too if you want. Yeah! Woo, good job. You alright? Okay. Remember now, you gotta feed it over, okay? Okay, I'm going next. You gonna watch me now? Okay. So you know you can hold on to these ropes too if you want, Chai. Alright? See? Eh? Did you hear a beep, Cody? Did you hear a beep? Yeah, okay. There you go. Good job. See, it's easy now. You just have to get the hang of it, that's all. Nice. Okay, remember? Yep, you got it. Okay, there you go. This one's easy, eh? Huh? Oh, this one's a little tricky. See the way I'm switching hands? Are you watching? There you go. Yep. It's on an angle now. So now switch hands and grab it with your other hand. There you go. Yep. There you go. You got it, baby. There you go.
Daddy, how do I get
Yeah, no, like that. Whoa, check this out. Which way is better to go? This way? This is pretty neat. This is pretty cool. Maybe I should have went legs first. There you go. That's cool, eh?
That's so awesome.
Yep, you got it. Yep. There you go. You got it. Just gonna hold it to keep it steady for a sec while you go. There you go.
I'm trying to go.
Hang on. Remember? Be gentle with it. So you gotta turn a little bit, right? Okay, Shai, this is one where you gotta sit.
Yeah, I know.
Ready? And then you just gotta push yourself off.
Yep.
Somehow. Yeah!
Alright, grab that rope and pull yourself in.
That was cool.
How was that? Pretty good, right?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Are you ready, Cheyenne? Yeah!
You gotta push hard.
Alright, then just make sure that gate closes
Yep.
behind you and you go ahead and take yourself off. Step down. Yep, there you go. Is your koala over the bracket?
Make sure you push hard off the wood.
Yep, go ahead.
Push hard with your legs.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
All right, grab this.
Grab the rope.
One hand. Grab it.
There you go.
Now
Pull
pull
yourself. Yep.
You can use two hands too, because that harness is going to hold you.
There you go. Nice job.
All right, get your feet up there. How was that? Now next time you know you have to push a little bit harder. All right, step up on the box. Was that pretty cool by the road too?
See, that was better now, eh?
When you're by the road, people honk at you.
I think she's good now.
Yeah, that was awesome.
It was just the beginning part. She was iffy about it.
Yeah, she's good.
Yeah, she's good now.
You did awesome. Now he is gonna flip upside down. All right.
Yeah, remember same thing we practiced down on the ground?
Cool. That was awesome.
Oh yeah, that was cool, eh? There you go.
All right, you're gonna grab that rope.
There you go. Both hands, babe. Bring the other hand down.
You're not gonna
There you go.
anywhere. That harness is gonna hold 3 elephants and a 7. All right.
Stand up part's a little
I know.
difficult.
If you have to pull yourself in, it is.
Yeah.
Yep. So, and that's why I say on the first one, people are like a little bit weary and
Yeah.
sure, but on the second one, now you know. And
Probably pull us up a bit too, so you sit a little bit higher.
There you go. Come on, man. Hold it lower. Yep. And then step down on the platform before
Go.
you go.
Yeah, step. Yeah, there you go.
Yep.
Now just push yourself. Sit down. Push yourself off.
Give yourself a good push. See?
He's gonna have to move his up too.
I was a little nervous too. That I've never ziplined before.
Yeah, so the first one is just a little
Yeah.
but once you get that flow, you're good to go.
There you go, you should make it go like
Come on
that.
in and make sure that gate closes before you get going. That's why we have the green level. Everybody gets a good warm up.
What's your finger say?
Nice.
Cool.
I'm gonna shorten you up a bit.
Yeah.
The only one that the shorter lanyards are gonna be a little bit of an issue.